I'm lying here in the dark and something's making my heart rush, but I think it could be all my neighbours are awesome, but there's one funny set of neighbours that are just kooky as fuck. So they're warped, what can I say? They play funny buggers. Anyway, I have trouble sleeping at night sometimes. So I get up early, do what I have to do, and try to get a couple more hours sleep if I can, but it's not always possible. I was just thinking about the time I saw these things and they were on the roof. I got post-traumatic stress, I guess. I hate diagnosing myself, but that's what they call it. Some shit happened to me years ago with someone I trusted in my house at night time. And now I sleep with a lot of knives and weaponry and shit. And my eyes open. It's pretty crap. But I survive and I will get over it. Damn it. Fuck it. I will. But yeah, I just can't relax. There's not enough noise. At least during the day, you can hear a lot more animals and stuff, and you know what's going on. I just get so much energy at night time. Even when I was a kid, I was like that. But anyway. Yeah, I sleep on the couch sometimes because it's the most central place in the house where I feel the safest, where I could slice and dice some if they messed with me. Is it wrong to almost wish it sometimes? Just to be able to take out all my frustrations on someone who deserved it completely, entirely. Fuck. Yeah, I suppose it is. But anyway, that's how I feel. I'm human. I got emotions. I get a little bit psychotic sometimes. Or I want to. That's a bit much, I know. Oops. Yeah, post-traumatic stress, whatever the fuck, pisses me off. So, what I wanted to talk about, I was lying here and I was asleep with my eyes open. Sometimes they just sort of go open. And I know, like, you can get a bit of a fright. There's something hanging on the back of a chair or on a door or something, and you're like, oh shit, and then you realise what it is and you wake up and you're like, oh god. But this wasn't anything like that, and I was not on any medication. I was not, sick or anything. And I saw these see-through monkeys. I don't think they had tails. And they had really long back legs. And monkeys is the only way I can describe them. And they were see-through. And I could see, and they were like, I could see all like electrical charges and shit on them. But you could see their skin. And I could see a bit of their skull and a bit of their bones and stuff. And they were, oh shit, it gives me chills. It was so weird. I've never seen anything like it. And they were running backwards and forwards on the roof, around the corner in the other room, peeking around the corner like, is she looking? Is she looking? And then it's like they didn't communicate with me telepathically or anything like that. But the best translation I could give is what they were thinking is, oh fuck, is she awake? Is she looking at us? Oh my god, she's awake! Oh my god! And then they started darting back and forwards really fast, and peeking around the corner and running back, and they were like, oh shit! They were like on the roof, upside down. It was the freakiest shit I've ever seen. Yeah, it was so weird. What were they gonna do to me? Oh no! What do these things do to you when you're asleep? They come up and I don't know. It's just weird, and they were just like monkeys, and I could see them like doing this weird smile thing, but it wasn't like, because you could just sort of see their skin, but they were like electric. It's hard to explain, and I could just sort of see their skull and a bit of weird ass stuff. Yeah, that was probably maybe number 2 on the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Electric monkeys. Fucking trying to sleep, man. Oh no. Try to sleep. Damn it.